What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and today I have the Pocophone F1, and we got a little pixel love on our Poco 1. As you can see, this is the Pokemon wallpaper that comes on the Pixel 4, but this is the Pocophone F1, and this is the Google Pixel ROM for the Pocophone F1. And I wanted to kind of show you run through the ROM a little bit. This thing runs like butter on the Pocophone. I'm really enjoying this this ROM on the Pocophone F1. It runs really stable. I'm really impressed. As you can see, the cute Pokemon wallpaper. It's got the Pixel launcher on here on deck. One of the other things that it has is the Pixel recorder, and this is working really good. I've been impressed. You get to be able to use the Google recorder and have everything set up here. If we save that, which I was just recording, you're gonna see that you're gonna be able to have the transcripts here. As you can see, Pixel recorder. This is working really good. I've been impressed. Let's play it back.
Really good. I've been impressed. You get Pixel recorder. And this is working really good. I've been impressed.
So as you can see, you get the Pixel recorder, which is an amazing thing to have on the Pixel phone. If you go in here, as you can see, I am running the full-fledged Android 10. Let me pull up the, there it is. You got the latest and greatest here. Let's go into the system, build system. That's the, sorry about that. Let me find the Android 10. You got to go out one, about, go here. No, I don't want to do that. Let's see. Android 10, there we go. And if we double click on that, there you go, Android 10 in the house. You got the November security patch, latest Google Play System update, all the good stuff. So this is Android 10 running the Pixel ROM running on the Pocophone. Has some pretty cool feature. Make sure when you do this that you update all your apps from the Google Play Store so you can get everything going. Now, one of the cool things that this has, and I'll show you right now, is live caption works. Not only do you get Google Recorder, but you get the live caption. Let's go in here to my man Jerome Ortega doing a little video here. Let's go past the ad. Should have live caption working.
Before I get like 8 million comments about this, I am running iOS 13.3, so it has that Deep Fusion update, and I am running Android 10 with its latest December patch. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about the biggest difference between...
So you get live caption, and the way you do it, you just go in here to accessibility. Let's see here, accessibility, and then you go into live caption. Always have a hard, yeah, live captions right there. And you turn it on and you can have live caption, which is great. You also, if you swipe from the bottom here, you get the Google Assistant. How many planets are there in the world? Name all 8 planets. There it is, Neptune. So you get the continuous conversation on the Google Assistant. So you get the Google Recorder, you get the live caption, you get the updated Google Assistant, which is great, and you get the Google camera, basically. Now, I took some pretty cool shots on here of my setup here, as you can see there. And then I took some shots of, there's a front-facing camera. That is the Pocophone with the Pixel camera, and I'm gonna tell you right now, that came out pretty darn good. And then here's another one of another angle. So I gotta give respect to the camera. You get night sight also, so if you wanna do night sight, you can. You get your portrait, you get your camera, you get all kinds of other cool things. You get Google Lens, so if you get an object, you'll be good to go and you'll be able to show that off. Now, as far as the battery's concerned, you get the adaptive battery, which is great. You could also do battery percentage on here. So if you turn that on, You're gonna have your battery percentage there in the top right hand corner, which is a cool thing to have. Now, it also has the styles and wallpaper app there. So if you go into it, you get all your wallpapers, including all the live wallpapers, including the Pokemon there, right there. You're gonna also expand your collection there if you wanna get involved there. Also, if you go in here to Living Universe, you get all these cool wallpapers that you can add and enjoy. If you wanna do the world comes to you, download it and you're good to go. So, but make sure you update all your apps on your phone. Now, like I said, you get the Pokemon wallpaper, which is kind of neat. You can kind of go through them. He goes to sleep. You could set it up different ways. If you go into, let me go back. I like the Pokemon guy. So if you go back into styles and wallpaper right here, and you go into your Pokemon, you could do all kinds of cool things with it on your phone. So if you set the wallpaper, you can, you know, set the time, whether he sleeps or not, which is kind of cool if you like that. Also with the you get your Google keyboard, so that's kind of cool. Also, you get the Google dialer, you get Google Messages, which is kind of neat. So it's completely a Pixel 4 without the motion sense. There is no motion sense. There is no attention, so that when you look at it, because obviously it doesn't have that motion radar on it, but that's all right. Tap to wake works. So as you can see right there, we tap off, it taps to wake, turns on, Pocophone is ready to go. Also, as you can see in full effect, dark mode. So if you turn it off, you get the white mode. And then if you want to go back to dark mode, real easy if you go into display settings. You also get your gestures here. So if I want to scroll through all my apps, if I'm here, I want to go back, I just swipe to the right. I want to go here. It also get the Google feed here. So it's a lot of cool things on this Pixel 4 ROM. Now, it's been running buttery smooth. So what is my score on this? From benchmark score, let me pull that up for you. This is what I got. Whoa, there it is. 270,777. So that's, you know, that's neat if you're into benchmarks. I just use my phone. I'm not into the benchmarks. Now, I will leave links down in the description on what files you need to install this onto your Pocophone. You need to have an unlocked bootloader, obviously. You got to have TWRP recovery or twerk recovery, however you want to do it, man. You want to do a little Miley, you can get it going. Like a Pokemon there, he was ready to go. But you got to install the firmware. Make sure you install firmware, then the ROM. And then if you want to keep TWRP, you got to make sure that you install the DFE or Disable Force Encryption. But it's real easy to install. You just have to go into TWRP recovery and install those 3 files. But I'll leave links to those files in the description. Also a link to the XDA link so that you can check out, you can, you know, hear about the ROM, people talking about there, asking questions. But if you're asking me, this is a daily ROM, absolutely. Everything works, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything, mobile data, everything works absolutely great. But it's basically a Pixel phone, but on your Pocophone. So that's gonna do it, knuckleheads. I'm gonna get out of here. Enjoy the party, and I'll talk to you guys later. This is the Google Pixel ROM for the Pocophone F1. Peace.